Skinny Joke TV, Chop Bars represent. Skinny Joke TV, go and motivate, uplift, suffer true, never tell a lie. That is it.
So guys, so we are back at it again. Oh, I saw them do it? Suffer true. Skinny Joke TV, suffer true. Oh, big up yourself, my general. Remember Skinny Joke TV, eh, my father? Huh? Skinny Joke TV. Suffer true. True. Yeah, so what we are going to do today, guys, is that we are going to pretend like me possess, like Duppy possess me, right? So she are going to try, Nika, sorry, I'm a friend, my new friend, so me kind of sometimes don't remember her name, but me will always, if me don't remember to call her name, me I go always write it in the description, right? Whenever me and her do a social experiment. So what me going to do today is me going to pretend as if me possessed by spirit, and then me go and drop a ground and put toothpaste in my mouth and frat up, foam frat, so it look realistic as possible. And then she's gonna come today and say, sir, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? And then me I go say, you might kill me. And then it up here go jump out and me jump in her. So and me I go say, come out here. And then it up he come back in so show. And then she say, oh Lord, me see him. I'm a black man. And then me I go so like me a lick her. So and then the up here go jump back in her. So we have to look up Brother Anan's story from the audience outside so for true. So guys, we are in the supermarket. So we're going we don't eat popcorn. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe, comment. Don't be frightened because it's not real possession, but the people, the audience gonna think it's real. Come on guys, let's go.
Come on,
Skinny Joke TV. Come on, Bob. No. So for true. Happy your birthday today? It's not your birthday. Oh, because I'm walking around and giving away prizes for people that birthdays today. So I think it was your birthday. You sure it's not your birthday? You sure? Okay. We're giving away 25,000 to the person that it's their birthday today. Mom, it's your birthday today. You sure it's not your birthday? You got another chance. It's not your birthday. You don't want no prize.
Here?
All courtesy of Skinny Joke TV.
You here?
It's more money.
Guys,
but I think it's so cheap to pay.
I'm not thief. I'm not hungry. I'm not thief.
You know that? Yo, why not record me?
You can do
Stop follow me now. We have follow me for me. Tell us enough to follow me and you're not here. Sorry. Mr. Can't see spirit. You can't see spirit, miss. Stop follow me now. Tell us enough follow me up and you still up. Follow me, man. Go and ramp with me, eh? Location and I change the other shirt because the other shirt I go wear go home, so I don't want to mess up it. So we're gonna look for one candidate now to see. We're gonna look for somebody or one spot for fight. Alright. See. Every time you follow me, so follow me, man. Yo. Stop following me now, dog.
Let me see where son.
Sir, you can't see spirit. Tell him to stop following me, sir. Spirit, they must follow me. Sir, you can't see spirit. Yo, stop following me. Yo, me kick off your face in the dog. Stop following me. Stop following me up. Sir, you can't see spirit.
Yeah, you're my gun.
I be a follow me up, sir.
Damn.
Yo, stop follow me now. Stop follow me now. Stop me, tell him to stop follow me. Stop follow me now, dog. We're not gonna follow a woman, man. Stop follow me, man.
Where
Stop follow me.
Let me see Jamaican.
Sir, tell him to stop follow me now, sir.
Jamaican beat them. Yeah, me ask for to beat them. Like
Them fi stop follow me and be follow me, follow me. Stop follow me, dog.
How much you think for it?
I not see no crowd,
Me
but
no
me a
want.
go and
Me
look
just
out.
gonna look. That's how I beat them no one.
Alright, I'll go over this. Yo. Stop follow me, dog.
Yeah, do the deal then.
Make. Me a worry for them, you know.
Yo.
Yes.
Stop follow me, no, my youth. Be a follow you, follow me, my. Stop follow me, no, dog. Yo. Yo, stop follow me, no, my youth. Stop follow me, no. You be telling you, stop follow me, no, my youth. So you can't tell me to stop follow me.
Don't follow him, man.
Tell me stop follow me, no.
I'm not here follow him.
It's seriously spirit.
You alright, sir?
He man follow me.
Who will follow you?
I tell you, if you stop follow me, I man follow me same way.
Who will follow you?
Yo, stop follow me now. Stop follow me now, dog. Let me tell you, follow me. I don't go follow people in my youth. Me say can't see spirit. Yo.
So guys, I can't play my part.
Stop follow me.
It's reflecting. I can't play my part.
Yo, I got a couple of
So guys, me can't play my part because me will
Yo, what's up, my brother? Yo, what's up, my brother? Pour back some, brother.
Miami King catch it. Oh. Catch people in reaction over this.
Come on, follow me. Yo, follow me. Yo, get the people in reaction, dog. Gosh, get the people in reaction. Auntie, ma follow me.
Not the woman video.
Ma follow me.
Not the woman video.
Ma follow me, auntie. Oh, Messi, ma follow me. Messi, ma follow me.
He must have said.
Bro, come over here, come over here, people in the dog. I'll tell you, better on it, not on the dog. Keep recording them, it. Ma follow me. Ma follow. Ma follow.
Eh? Where she then?
Ma follow me, mate.
Where she then?
Yeah, get the people reaction.
Every time police when they came over station, and I create something there so I see when I phone me like what?
Stop, I'm in the dog. Follow me up, dog. Stop follow me,
Everybody have
dog.
video.
Stop follow me, no. Stop follow me. Ma follow me. Tell him to stop. Tell him to stop follow me. I can't follow you. It's brutal. Ma follow me, auntie help me. Ma follow me. Ma follow me, auntie. Ma follow me. A brother in one jacket suit. See now? You must follow me. In a jacket suit, I will tell you follow me. I say can't see spirit. You must follow me. You must follow me. Yeah. Every time I pray, he beat me up. When I pray, he beat me up.
Why park him up? Why park him up?
They must follow me. Let go off of my foot. Ma wala pa my foot everything. Follow me. Ma follow me, everything so follow me.
Yeah.
Me tell you no follow me. And ma follow me.
Alright, so.
Get the view reaction, dog. Get the people reaction. Don't have me that. Ma follow me. You must follow me. You must follow me. When you go, you subscribe to Joketv. You must follow me. So follow me now. You must follow me. You must follow me. Okay, make him follow you. You must follow me. Follow me. Hey boy, I'm cold. Follow me. Put one more sitting somewhere. I did stash there so take care.
No mo hindi de wedu.
Demasi. Alles no problem. We over this.
Alright, I got done the one. I'm going to defend but yes, sir. I used to water wash off it. I used to water wash off it. Eh? You follow me. A toothpaste the pan it. Yeah, no, I use the water. Give me water. A brother in a jacket suit. I'm a video and the people them a react. Yeah, so yeah, so my video and the people react. No, I'm not prank. I'm not prank. We just show you like when things happen to people or the public react. Yeah, but nobody not help me. Yeah, but nobody not help me. Yeah, but if you put up in the palm if you throw water. No, it happened in a real life, you know. That's everything when we do happen in a real life. You know, say everything. No, but nobody not help me. Nobody not help me.
That's why the real
No, me ask you. No man, a long time. Camera just come out, man. Alright, but thank you, sir, yeah? Thank you, sir, yeah, auntie? I work, auntie. Thanks for your time, eh? Move it, I can't move it. Now take your number, move it, man. PROLONGHD, I'm a skinny water bombshell. Yeah. Now take your number. Yeah, man. You can watch him over them on PROLONGHD page and if you don't watch the social. Yeah. So Skinny Joketv, so we are doing a social experiment to see how people react to a situation in public. So I was being ill-possessed by spirit, as they say, and I'll be going on for minutes and minutes and nobody help, everybody running and screaming. So I guess that's how it is whenever something serious or bad happens to a person in public. No one really
Guys, don't
them.
cuss me. Chew me run, don't cuss me. Do.
Alright, so she's supposed to be the backup to ask me what happened to me. And me try to make the spirit attack her too. So we realize that in public when things really do happen to people, bad situations and stuff like what you see have been possessed, you know. So nobody tried to help. So this lady said I shouldn't do it because when you do stuff like this, people, when it happens for real, people don't really help. But what you can see here for yourself, nobody really helped, you know. So anything that happened to you in public, the truck. So give it a few seconds. So we cut from the truck now. Come back. So I want to ask. No. All right. So auntie, okay. So crowd is here. Give me 5 seconds, auntie. You watch movie, right? You watch movies.
Yes,
This is movie in real life. So if you watch anything that you watch in movie and happen like this, it's the same. You act, you pretend, it's not real. So if you put emotions to it and stuff, it's your feelings. And the question is that we ask is why nobody helped? Because I was sick and ill. I'm a movie person, I make movie, I act in movie. This is just as if camera, you video it and then you put it together and make a movie. So some people would say it's bad to do because we think it was real and stuff, but it was real, but nobody wanted to help. Nobody wanted to help. So that's the reason why we do a social experiment to see how people in public react to stuff. So people must understand that whenever something happens to people in public, we must help, you know, because it can be you, it can happen to anybody. Spirit attacked me in real life. I was being possessed by spirit in real life, and I saw the spirit. It was a black lady with a head wrapped like that with a red cloth and stuff, and I was being ill. I was in bed and the spot where I lay, it was wet. So I know these things can, I was a child, grew up, I sleep in cemetery, I play in cemetery, I never afraid of spirit, and until that day when, you know, I was being pushed by a spirit, and then I been ill. This here, as you can see, the spirit pushed me to the ground. You know, so these things really happen to people. It's not fake, you know. This what I'm doing here is fake, and it's just to show how people, you know, they react to people in situation. We must help. We must not turn a blind eye. They say see and blind here and deaf. It's a lie. Things can happen to you. We have to fight for our people. We have to fight the demons. There's no such thing as demon and good and bad. It's us that are people that we need to help each other and stand up and fight, because it's going to happen to you. Just imagine you being possessed by spirit in public. You would love for someone to help you. I felt emotional because no one tried to help me, and I possessed by spirit before, and I know it's real. So if that happened to me in real life, I would be like, wow, man, nobody helped me, so I stay here and suffer, you know. Yeah.
I want to be the one who to help, because I was saying that call the police can't bring you over the hospital. Because I see nobody helps. So
right.
Yeah. Do that.
No, only she was.
That's the place.
So you call the pastor?
No, only she was saying.
I heard her say call the police.
I said call the police, but me didn't hear it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, get some water and show him something. Get some olive oil. Try something. Try. Yeah, and let me teach you something. Whenever bring the camera. Let me tell you something how it works when it happened to me, right? My mother, she bring me to a lady, and my mother said send it back, and she said no. And she said she's not a Obia woman. She just takes spirit away from people. So she said to me, I told her I want to see the spirit. She said, no, it's better for me not to see it. And she said to me, if I really want the spirit to go away, I have to believe. So whenever you see someone possessed in public, you have to believe. You believe and say, hey, this person needs the spirit to get off him. You go get the olive oil and you flash it on him. And in your heart, you pour out that energy. We live by energy force. It's how we project our energy. Things happen in this world. It's our God. Our energy is our God. You want to be successful in life. You have to energize it and say this is it's your God. That's how. If you pray every day, no, listen. You pray every day. You pray every day. I baptize 2 times and it's nothing. It means nothing to me, but me means a lot to me. Me means a lot to me. So if what you believe in is what makes you.
Everybody was concerned about your shop.
I was concerned.
Because you walk across.
It's a panic attack.
You went across the road.
It's a panic attack. You guys panic because it was convinced. I'm an actor. I can make things look real.
Because not everybody was.
Yeah.
All
All right.
That's what make a lot of people were panicking.
Panicking.
Yeah.
Right.
So we was going to call the police. I was saying that we're going to create some site here, because that I end up in the car, lift somebody or lift down somebody
Right.
or something.
And I'm an actor. I make movies. I tell you, I make several movies. I used to have here. Maybe you watch one of my movies. But for the camera, I want to tell you guys that I'm really good. I want to ask you guys if I really do a good job acting, because I'm an actor.
Because
And
a lot of people
scared.
Right. So,
Of course.
Skinny Joke TV or Prolonged HD film. Yes, I used to have hair, I trim. So you might know me, what a bombshell. So I used to say what a bombshell and hair. I used to have the hair and stuff. So yeah. So you take care and enough love, okay? Okay. Talk. Upon the fridge top. When I was up on the fridge top and the man come in with the machete, that's me. But me they have here, yeah. That's it. Yeah, so I bring the live acting to the street to see how to improve my acting skills. Because I know you'd love to see me in the big Hollywood movie scenes and stuff. So the fact that I can be realistic in real life, it encourages me how to act in movie. Because if we had the big cameras here and doing the stuff, you say, whoa, and you watch the finished movie, you say, whoa, this Jamaican is a good actor in Hollywood movie. Yeah, we love him. Skinny is our actor up there. Right, so whenever you see people acting and stuff in the street, you encourage them, you know? Yeah, you encourage them. And it doesn't matter if someone, listen, if you're my neighbor and you're always playing, anytime you call for help, I'll help. I'll let when I know you're playing. Because we are human beings. I would encourage you and say, listen, stop the playing because I don't know when you're playing. Stop the playing. One day you might stop playing and you know, give up, but you always help, you know, because it's human, you know? So. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, what about Shell? Yeah, she's supposed to be the big boy, you know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so Skinny Joke TV is up with Chocho. Big up on yourself. We're gonna do one more and see if we can get
Skinny Joke. Skinny Joke TV, go motivate, uplift, suffer true, never tell a lie. That is it.